Discover the top 3 Android call recorder apps for 2026 in this video. We review reliable options that are simple to use and deliver clear call recording quality. Perfect for everyday personal or work use, helping you securely save and manage important conversations with ease. At number 3, this is one of the most powerful call recording apps on Android right now, and most people don't even realize how useful it is. Imagine every important call you make or receive automatically saved crystal clear with zero effort. That's exactly what you get with Call Recorder. Auto recording with a solid 4.1 rating and over 10 million installs, this app is trusted by millions for one simple reason: it just works. No complicated setup, no confusion. The biggest standout feature is automatic recording. Every incoming and outgoing call gets captured in high quality, so you never miss a single detail again. Perfect for business calls, interviews, or even important personal conversations. And it doesn't stop there. It also includes a smart caller ID, so you know who's calling before you even pick up. Plus, you get a built-in manager where you can play, rename, delete, or share recordings in seconds. Another underrated feature is the voice recorder. You can save meetings, lectures, or quick voice notes anytime, like having a mini recorder in your pocket. This app is popular because it saves time, protects information, and keeps everything organized without any hassle. Number 2, we've got Call Recorder Automatic. A powerful tool trusted by over 50 million users worldwide and rated 4.1 stars with 500k plus reviews. This app lets you automatically record both incoming and outgoing calls in crystal clear audio. No need to press anything, just install it, and it works in the background smoothly. It also comes with a smart caller ID feature, so you can instantly see who's calling, even if the number isn't saved in your contacts. One of the best parts? You can choose which calls to record and which to ignore using a custom ignore list. Plus, it helps you block spam and unwanted numbers easily. All your recordings are organized neatly by date or contact, making it super easy to find what you need. And yes, you can backup, share, or replay recordings anytime. Whether you're managing business calls, interviews, or important conversations, this app keeps everything documented and safe in one place. At number 1, we've got Call Recorder. Cube ACR, one of the most powerful call recording apps on Android, rated an impressive 4.6 out of 5 stars with over 50 million installs and 890k plus reviews. Key features. This isn't just a basic recorder. It automatically records your incoming and outgoing phone calls, plus VoIP apps like WhatsApp, Telegram, Skype, Viber, Facebook Messenger, and more. You can even choose specific contacts to record or exclude people you don't want saved. And if you want control, manual recording lets you start and stop anytime during a call. The sound quality is crystal clear, and you can replay, delete, or share recordings right inside the app. There's even smart speaker switching for private listening. What makes it stand out is reliability. Many apps fail on modern Android, but Cube ACR is known for actually working on most devices. Plus, premium tools like cloud backup, PN lock, and auto storage cleanup make it super convenient. That's it for today's video. If it helped, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more useful app reviews.